JJ's father once apparently killed an electric eel, removed the nerve. Again, I don't know anatomically if this makes any sense, but this is how the lore goes. That he killed the electric eel, removed the nerve that generates the electricity, then cut his own arm open, put the nerve in it, and slapped a dead frog on top of it, and then bandaged that up. And he said that that would give him strength until the end of his days. He lived to 87 years old, alive in the jungle and healthy, and he died one day at a barbecue he just leaned over on his grandson, smiled, and died.
Whoa.
He was healthy until he died. He just turned off.
Huh.
Yeah.